So now I've got a short length of thread and I'm going to ladder stitch the gap on the pin cushion closed. So initially I'm just going to go in and come up here, my knot on the inside, and obviously I've stuffed it nice and full and poked it into the corners, and then turn this around, and because it's quite full then you'll need your spare hand just to bring the layers of the fabric together. So I'm going to go into the first side of the fold and take a stitch along the fold, just like this, and then you're going to go directly opposite. So I'll just put the needle there to show you. So directly opposite where you've come up, you're going to go into the opposite fold with your needle and then travel along inside the fold and come back up. And then you're moving back directly across from that stitch into the opposite fold, push the needle in and move forwards, traveling along, so that you're essentially always drawing both sides of the fabric together. So it's the neatest way to close a gap like this, is with a ladder stitch, and keep moving along. And then when you get to this end here, you can just do a couple of small stitches to finish off and then snip your thread.